Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can deactivate call forwarding in VIVO. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then go for the applications and permissions. Onwards, open the system app settings, phone. Over here, open the section of the SIM card you would like to turn off the call forwarding feature for. Then open it. And here just set all the options or all the functions that you have over here to off. So when busy, let's remove the phone number by going for the turn off option. Then turn off once again. In some cases, as you can see, the operator of your SIM card or the operator that you have gotten the SIM card from does not support the deactivation of this option. But anyway, just open all of those things and try to turn them off. If you are not able to do so, then well, you might consider changing the operator, but that's how you generally do that. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.